Hello, this is Ron Gerber, CEO of Angelbeat. I literally visit thousands of technology professionals, interact with business executives around the country. I thought I'd share with you the 5 top areas that I'm encouraging all of my Angelbeat attendees, our Angelbeat community to focus on. I think this will help your organizations become more flexible, more secure, more financially successful, and just as importantly, will help in your careers. The first thing is to recognize that applications are the core of every business, and you want to make sure you embrace an application development mindset that apps are created largely through clicks, not through servers, and not requiring complicated code. That is where the industry is going, so you need to embrace that paradigm as probably best exemplified by Salesforce.com, which enables all of you to create a world-class CRM system without requiring, quite honestly, any IT involvement. You know, that brings up a second issue, which is the whole notion of shadow IT. And I want to encourage everyone to make sure you work closely with other departments in finance, in marketing, and operations. Any technology initiative needs to involve different groups within your organization to be successful. Otherwise, you're going to run into situations like a marketing group at a hospital spun up a new virtual machine, they put up some patient data, they violated HIPAA laws, and their healthcare organization got hit with a multi-$100,000 fine. You and IT can reach across to your peers, work together. That is the pathway for successful events, and it's also a way to gain you better credibility and hopefully more compensation in your career. Security is the third key paradigm that I want everyone to focus on. Security can no longer be the responsibility of the security department. It must be embraced by every single employee. You and IT are perhaps more sensitive to this. You need to, again, work across the aisle and communicate with your peers to make sure they know about this. A fourth key paradigm is what I call a data-centric view of the world. All of you must adopt that. It's not that storage isn't relevant, but with so many services, I lose track of all the acronyms for Microsoft. It's software as a service, it's platform as a service, it's code as a service. Everything's a service, and that in turn frees up you to focus on the data. It's very complicated. Like, how do you back up data which could be in use, at rest, in motion, stored in the cloud, stored on site? You need to find a way to maintain the integrity and accuracy of your data. It needs to be backed up. And then you need to work hand in hand to understand that data to make sure your organization stays ahead of its competitors. Much different mindset where 10 years ago the whole focus was on the network. Now the focus is on data, and all of you want to embrace that and work with more of your data-centric colleagues, and that will again be the pathway to greater financial success and compensation for you. The final point, which is really a good summation area, is to embrace change. I remember I was at an Angelbeat event, and this is maybe like 10 years ago, where someone told me his job was, I'm the Patch Tuesday expert. Whenever Microsoft releases an update, I make sure it's done right. He also told me, again, this was a decade ago, that I think my job is going to go away. I go to your seminars, I see where the world of technology is going, I see the importance of automation, and so I'm thinking, gee, I better do something different because Microsoft's going to automate that process. Well, that's exactly what happened, and to me, that reinforced why I love what we do at Angelbeat, because we help people understand the issues, we help them grow in their careers, we help their organizations become more successful. Those are my 5 key areas. I look forward to seeing you at a future program. Thank you very much.